DeadBolt pimpin'.
Still riding around with that double cup, riding around with that pistol tuck. If a nigga try me, that's about it. Closed casket, no need for tucks. And keep big bucks in your whole ivy. Plus keep auto parts, no old rally. Got a lot of heart, no calorie lane. I'm killing shit, moment of silence. These streets ain't what they used to be. Remember when I used to be, but now they used to me. So usually I do this for my G, so I keep it G. Ay, you know that boss shit. That's what a lot of niggas I'm do Austin. All I see is green like I'm a fan of Boston. She came in with that grill light. I still came with them sticks. Ballistic over there chillin'. Sugar said I got us bucking this bitch. We in our own zone, fuck the cloud now. I'm high as fuck, on the cloud now. In my hood it goes down. In the hood them hoes clown. Real niggas getting turned up, lame niggas getting turned around. Smoking loud, sipping lean. That's the shit that got me. Moving slow, eyes slow, don't know which way I'm headed, but I'm turned up. I think my knob bro. Shit toss me a couple more Xanax.
Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. With a green neck 'cause I want some more. With a lean neck 'cause I want some more. Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. With a green neck 'cause I want some more. With a lean neck 'cause I want some more.
I'ma get money regardless, yeah. I ain't gotta tell you who the hardest is. We gon' lock it down with no problem.
Nigga, please don't end up a target.
Don't talk shit to get started. When I come through, I'ma show out. Spit crack like a dope pouch. Better get back 'cause I'm strapped now. But you know that I'm focused. Take a picture, call me Kodak. And when she busted open, got me coming back like I'm at the trap, rolling up a sack. High as fuck, yeah, I'm on that lean. Fresh as hell when I hit the scene. DeadBolt got it locked down and I'm so street like an OG.
Young nigga with big nuts, come through, get your shit bust. I'm the shit, need my shit flush. I'ma hustle hard, never give up.
Came down, no pickups. All I spit is crack. You can put me in a pot, I bet you I can jump it back.
Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. With a green neck 'cause I want some more. With a lean neck 'cause I want some more. Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. With a green neck 'cause I want some more. With a lean neck 'cause I want some more.
I'm the corner store, bootleg on a late night. Cutting mine like a steak knife. Might bone your bitch if she act right. Moving slow, sipping lean. Eyes low like a Chinaman. Higher than I supposed to be. And I don't expect you to understand. I got the upper hand 'cause I keep it real. Stayed down till I came up. Been 100 plus since day one. Ain't no way in hell I'ma change up. Rolling purple blunts, about to flame up. Get a refill in the same cup. Got your head down like 7-Up. We big dog and y'all little puff. And the truth is I don't give a fuck. I'm moving slow but I ain't stuck. I'm big and can't catch a nut. Good and be the purple off in my gut. I'm high as hell, no coming down. We twisted up for another round. High as hell, no coming down. We twisted up for another round.
Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. Moving slow with my eyes low, rolling on that purple smoke. With a green neck 'cause I want some more.